Maybe you are looking for an entry-level machine learning role and building a portfolio of projects so your resume doesn't look empty. Good idea. But chances are you are doing it wrong. Most people follow a bunch of tutorials. It's not bad by itself, but it has almost no value when someone is evaluating your actual skill. Recruiters have done the same tutorials in Kaggle competitions. They know exactly what they contain, and if you, like many candidates, exaggerate the complexity of those projects on your CV, they'll scale down every other achievement you list there. Mention the tutorials you've completed, sure, but don't rely on them if your goal is to impress recruiters. So, what should you do instead? Naturally, the strongest thing you could list is real experience, an internship or job, but that answer isn't helpful, is it? What you are looking for is the closest substitute, something that proves you can complete tasks under time pressure, work in a team, communicate with supervisors, and apply ML skills to something that actually matters. Here are ideas that do exactly that. Contribute to open source meaningfully. Fixing a typo doesn't count. Instead, look at issues involving scientific or algorithmic work. Framework ports often miss optional features or implementation details from original papers. Adding or restoring them is valuable, technically demanding, and visible. It shows real skill, real initiative, and real impact. Publish a scientific paper, ideally with a professor or research group, maybe alongside other students. A top-tier conference is impressive, but any legitimate venue counts. A publication shows ambition, work ethic, and competence. Plus, it gives recruiters a multi-page document representing weeks of your effort. Do a project with your professor or university lab. Research generates countless smaller tasks that can be delegated. You might not be developing quantum-assisted ML training paradigms, but there's almost always something you can contribute to. Even if you are not formally part of the team, you can demonstrate that you worked on real research tasks with real expectations. Kaggle or similar competitions, but only with intention. On its own, Kaggle is just another tutorial path. To make it impressive, join a formal team, ideally through your university, and build a custom solution instead of copying notebooks. Bonus points if your ranking is high. Otherwise, anyone can claim they built something novel. These ideas actually demonstrate competence, not checkbox learning. If you have additional suggestions, leave them in the comments. Bye.